megalayapost.news.
Uba hiving sun khaprang yamle kamaurang kineng hadian ka jingata lor ka jingtre kam KSSG sa jela ulabu jing keliru balai amdan KSSG kiban kersan lemru ya kisun rang namar kumalong menta KSSG lengba ka NRLM lamang tingkatang na kamenta ki kenthai ya kani jing keli la jubab do menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad ki sangma bakade jing keli ka badon kam namar kisun rang ru bun sien ki don kam ka jing kersan lem ban na kalyang ka sarkar kan saperkhat ban shim ya kisin jam ban kersan lemru ya kisun rang lengba KSSG.
So in the past, even not only women SSGs, but even men also being linked to the one scheme now no more, that the SGSY. Men also can promote SSG, women also mixed together. And this time only women SSGs are linked to the NRLM, the new scheme. So what men SSGs, why not male SSG not linked to NRLM, sir?
Sir, the NRLM is a project that was meant for women's self-help groups, as per the guidelines. So, but we are in the process of ensuring that there are some programs to help the men also, sir. So definitely, it's a very positive suggestion. Sir, on a serious note, actually many men and groups at the village level, whenever I've gone for CM Connect programs, have suggested this to me, that why can't we have men self-help groups also. So, sir, we are actively working on it. Some work has been done, but those details are not there with us right now. But as I said, we are definitely examining it, and we will see, sir, how to implement this. But as I mentioned, sir, the NRLM is a specifically guidelines-based project for women, sir.
megalayapost.news.